Hello everyone, I'm Sneharpita of Center for Aviation and Space of Central University. Here I'm going to give a brief introduction on three aircrafts. These are Beechcraft B200, Robinson R66, and at last I'm going to introduce about the Robinson R44. Here we can see the Beechcraft B200. It is a twin turbo transport and also an utility aircraft. It has a continuous production line since 1964 and it has already sold more than 6,000 of 17 variants to approximately to 94 countries. Its sale is mainly for corporate, commercial and special mission operations. Here are the various technical specifications of B200. It covers almost all the categories such as its exterior and interior part. It performs level, range, occupancy, operating weights, its distance while landing, flying and takeoff. Its power plant and manufacturing companies etc. are given here. You can see. Here is the internal structure of the B200 aircraft. We can see on the first picture it is the cockpit area and the second picture shows the passenger seats. It can occupy 2 crews and 6 passengers. It is the GT structure of Beechcraft King Air B200. These are the dimensions of the aircraft from different angles. It shows its top view, left and right view, and also front and back view. These are the cockpit panel components we can see of the Beechcraft B200. This is mainly called the controlling panel. These are the components labeled in order. Here we can see the display screens. There are 3 display screens. First one is primary flight display, multifunction display and cockpit's primary flight display. There are also display control panel, audio panels, flight guidance panel, etc. are present in it. Next is the second aircraft I'm going to introduce is the Robinson R66. It is the single engine aircraft with 2 bladed main and tail rotors and a fixed skid landing gear. As you can see in the picture, it is made up of advanced composite metals such as aluminum alloy sheet and chromoly steel, and it also has both electromechanical instruments and optical digital glass cockpit. It is the first aircraft that holds a cargo which carries up to 140 kg. It is a helicopter designed and built by Robinson Helicopter Company and also powered by Rolls-Royce RR300 turbo sub-engine. Here is the internal structure of R66. It has 5 seats and a separate cargo compartment. Here are the technical specifications of the helicopter. It says about the general characteristics and its performance. These are the dimensions of Robinson R66. We can see from the different angles. It shows the left, top and front view. This is the cockpit controlling panel of the helicopter R66 turbine. Here we can see all the different components. Then last but not the least aircraft I'm going to introduce is the Robinson R44. It is a single engined helicopter with a semi-rigid 2-bladed main rotor. It has a 2-bladed tail rotor and a skid landing gear. Its tail rotor direction of rotation is reversed for the improvement of the air control authority. It has the advancing blade which is on the bottom area. It is produced by the Robinson Helicopter Company since 1992. It also features hydraulically assisted flight controls, and it is also from a aircraft which first flown on 31st March of 1990. Here, it is the internal structure which contains 4 seats. It is a lightweight helicopter. In the second picture, we can see the cockpit area. These are the technical specifications. It shows the general characteristics and the performance level of the helicopter. These are the dimensions of the helicopter from the different angles, which shows the front and top view. And it is the cockpit controlling panel of Robinson R44 Raven 2, and we can see all the components.